It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 323rd episode and the first episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all y'all doing well and had a wonderful Thanksgiving. It's that time of the year, my friends. It's the holiday season, and you know what that means? It's cookie season. Well, to kick off my Christmas series, we're gonna make some peanut butter kiss cookies, aka peanut butter blossoms. And my friends, these cookies are the bomb.com. They're gonna be so delicious, simple, and easy to make. And they just melt in your mouth when you bite into them. And these delicious treats would be great to make with your kids and great to serve for the holidays. You'll be in chocolate peanut butter heaven. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats playlist. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your peanut butter, your Hershey's Kisses, and your flour sugar, because we're about to bake some peanut butter kiss cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Let the holiday baking begin. All right, my friends, in my large bowl, I have a half a cup of butter flavored shortening. And we're going to add in 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. And we're going to cream all this until it's fluffy. All right, my friends, next we're going to add in 1/3 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar. And blend all this until it's nice and well combined. Okay, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. We're going to mix all these ingredients together until it's well incorporated. All right, my friends, this is what the cookie batter looks like. Nice, smooth, wet batter. All right, that looks great. So now for the final ingredient. We're going to stir in 1½ cups of self-rising flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda that's sifted. I'm just going to fold the dry ingredients in till it's well combined. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring this in and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through rolling out my cookie dough. It smells good. I love the smell of peanut butter. So now we're going to take some dough. We're going to roll it to about 1-inch ball. And then we're going to roll it in 1/3 cup of white sugar. And we're going to put it on my 9x13-inch long cookie sheet that I lined with foil. You can use parchment paper. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish rolling the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through rolling out my cookie dough. So now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. I have taken my peanut butter cookies out of the oven. So now while they're hot, we're going to gently pull them on the wire rack. And now we're going to top it with some Hershey's Kisses. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, my cookies is nice and cool and I put them on my Christmas platter. And there you have it. Peanut butter kiss cookies, aka peanut butter blossoms. Don't that look pretty with the Hershey's Kisses? And what's better than the smell of freshly baked cookies? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Look at that texture in the inside. It's soft and chewy. I love the combination of peanut butter and chocolate. Please give these cookies a try. Your whole family, including Santa Claus, will enjoy these scrumptious cookies. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Peanut butter kiss cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.